and Sangathan building leads to nation building. Keep in mind that BJP's aim is not only to grab power. BJP's name is to build a great nation by having the right people in power. So we must have power. Without that, we would not be able to do what we have to do. But we must also make sure that that end is very clear in our mind that it is about nation building. एक ऐसे भारत का निर्माण करना है जो आने वाले पुश्ते बोले कि भाई इन लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा किया. So this is very critical for you to think about as not just something which is a typical political party. We must train our people with an ideology, which is the first point. What is ideology? How do people understand and relate to this party beyond saying that we will come into power? We will come into power. I am very convinced. It is only a matter of time. But if you don't have a base and ideology, then people will take us very lightly. Then building excellence through work practices, information on party's history and development. Very critical that you see yourself as part of a process where you yourself are going through that struggle phase that we have gone through 20 years back as a national party. You're going through that here. I understand it, but you must persevere. उसको आपको लेके चलना पड़ेगा. संघर्ष बहुत आवश्यक है. संघर्ष कभी कभी कैरेक्टर बनाता है. मेरी सर से बात हो रही थी तो किस प्रकार के संघर्ष आप लोग करने पड़ रहे हैं मैं देख रहा हूँ. उसी साथ साथ कैसे हम लोग कॉम्पिटेंट कार्यकर्ता खड़ा करें. How do we make sure people are competent on the booth level, at the mandal level, at the district level, at the state level, so that you are seen as different from other parties? When you go to the local party here, are they investing enough in your prashikshan? Perhaps not. Perhaps it's led by one family and one individual. How are we making sure that you tomorrow become better and you tomorrow, like our current national president has risen from an ordinary Vidhayak, tomorrow there is a possibility that a person from Meghalaya in the next 20 years becomes a Rashtriya president. This is the opportunity which only Bharatiya Janata Party offers. कोई और पार्टी नहीं करती. कांग्रेस नहीं करती. सपा जहां से मैं आता हूँ, समाजवादी पार्टी, बहुजन समाज पार्टी नहीं करती ऐसा. अगर आप अखिलेश जी के परिवार के हैं तभी आप आगे बढ़ पाएंगे वरना आप नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. यहाँ कोई भी एक आर्डर यहाँ पर अगर उसमें क्षमता है दृढ़ता है तो आगे बढ़ सकता है. Then instilling social responsibility and sense of responsibility. एक चीज जो हम लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. अब जैसे कि